The debate of the amending of the Public Health Amendment Bill continues in the Upper House on Saturday. Khrystal Wilson reports while the bill received the support of the opposition and was passed on Friday in the House of Representatives, opposition senators raised concerns about the amendments during Saturday's debate. More in this report.
Attorney General FARIS says members of the public who refuse to wear face masks will face heavy fines. This as the Upper House on Saturday debated proposed amendments to the Public Health Ordinance to allow for penalties to be imposed on persons should they be found not wearing face masks while out in public. According to the Attorney General, government is seeking to put measures in place as it has a responsibility to protect the population from the spread of COVID-19.
We are looking at, in the example of mask wearing, the process will be as follows. You already have the dangerous infectious disease so declared, January 31st, 2020. You will have a regulation issued under Section 105 of the Public Health Ordinance. Under Section 105, the regulation will specify you shall wear your mask, it shall cover your nose, your mouth, your chin. There shall be that mask wearing in public. By way of example, there'll be exceptions in the regulations. Children under 5 years old, people with physical or underlying medical conditions, etc., where the construct is designed so that they're in a specialized place that it doesn't need to operate with mask wearing.
However, during her maiden contribution to the Upper House, opposition Senator JAYANTI was critical of government's approach to the mask-wearing legislation, saying fines will not protect members of the public from contracting COVID-19.
We want a system in place that makes it mandatory to wear face masks. You are bringing this very important piece of legislation through regulations which you know are under challenge. You're well aware of it. And rather than try to find a way to bring the legislation before this House and to work at this is legislation that the opposition has been asking for months.
And Independent Senator Dr. Maria Dillon Remy used his speaking time to beg citizens of Trinidad and Tobago to take up personal responsibility to prevent the continued spread of the COVID-19 virus.
It is the immense difficulty to change behavior, especially since many of the people that have the virus are not aware that they have it. And we had this problem with the HIV epidemic, where people thought that I could look at somebody and know if they have HIV. Same thing here. You are my partner, you are my friend. I could look at you and know whether you have coronavirus, and that is not so. And hence the difficulty in people changing behavior, because it's very, in other words, you can't see the virus and people look very healthy.
Khrystal Wilson, TTT News.